This is my slideshow. Using this and other resources, I started my composting bin. Through this website, I found this man called the Worm Dude, and I went to his house to buy worms. My dad and I visited the Worm Dude's house, and he recommended a wooden box like this. We purchased some plywood and supplies from Home Depot to build our wooden bin. It took about 3 hours. Here is the finished product. I drilled holes in the side for ventilation, put a handle on top, and soaked 15 newspapers for 24 hours for bedding in the bin. Then I tore the newspaper into strips, and this is the final product with some soil on top for grit. Then we added the worms and made our first feeding of bananas, avocados, and raspberries, and then we put them in the corner of the bin. I keep my bin in the shed where it will get the ideal temperature of 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and I mist it every few days to get the correct moisture. The Worm Dude said that worms like sweet stuff, so we added strawberries. 2 weeks after we started, 1,800 more worms arrived in the mail late, so we added them. Here's my tracking of the list of food up until June 1st. I continued to add more food over the 2-week period. Here's a picture of a worm in castings. Castings are worms' droppings that are good for the soil and help plants grow. This is a graph of the amount of food I put in over the 2-week period. The first day is I put in about 1 pound, and the other days between half a pound and a quarter pound. I calculated my waste savings, and I would save about 15%, and I came at that number by estimating my monthly trash, which was about 40 pounds, and my average monthly worm food, which was about 6 pounds.